Welcome back to the Limpier Cleaning Services channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but essential for maintaining the integrity of your home: eavestrough cleaning. Your gutters play a crucial role in protecting your home from water damage, debris buildup, and potential structural issues. Join me as we explore how expert eavestrough cleaning can keep your gutters in top condition, ensuring a clean and functional home. Your gutters may not be the most glamorous feature of your home, but they play a vital role in its overall well-being. Over time, leaves, twigs, and other debris can accumulate in your gutters, causing blockages and preventing proper water drainage. This can lead to a host of problems, including water damage, mold growth, and even foundation issues. That's where expert eavestrough cleaning comes in. Regular eavestrough cleaning is essential for maintaining the health and longevity of your home. By keeping your gutters clear of debris, you ensure that rainwater can flow freely away from your home, preventing water damage and preserving its structural integrity. Additionally, eavestrough cleaning helps to safeguard against pests, such as mosquitoes and rodents, that may be attracted to stagnant water and clogged gutters. When it comes to eavestrough cleaning, it pays to trust the experts. At Limpier Cleaning Services, we have years of experience in cleaning and maintaining gutters of all types. Our trained professionals understand the intricacies of eavestrough systems and use the latest techniques and equipment to ensure thorough and effective cleaning. You can trust us to keep your gutters in top condition year-round. Unlike do-it-yourself methods that may only provide temporary relief, our eavestrough cleaning services offer comprehensive solutions tailored to your specific needs. We don't just remove debris from your gutters. We also inspect them for signs of damage or wear and provide recommendations for repairs or maintenance as needed. With Limpier, you can rest assured that your gutters are in capable hands. At Limpier Cleaning Services, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We understand that your home is your most significant investment, and we treat it with the care and respect it deserves. When you choose our eavestrough cleaning services, you can have peace of mind, knowing that your gutters are being cleaned by professionals who take pride in their work and go above and beyond to exceed your expectations. Contact us today to schedule your eavestrough cleaning appointment and experience the Limpier difference. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cleaning! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights from Limpier Cleaning Services, your partner in maintaining a clean and healthy home. Bye!